this is Steven, long time no see here, and
hello, this is Kimi.
yes, we are going to show you guys about Huayi's the decorative lighting customizations process and what we will do for our customer in many kinds of material of the lamps.
Yes, sure. So today our topic is how can we make the decorative light and how can we do the customization management.
Yes, alright. So first of all, we can look at the screen. The screen here is the topic we introduced last time. So this time we're going to
this is
describe
the
it.
Procedure. We conclude, we will illustrate each point one by one in the following pages. We can get through it quickly.
Yes.
Yeah. Firstly, we will get some basic information from our clients.
So what it was that?
It was about some required dimension, materials, and the finish requirement.
Finish requirements.
Yeah, so on. And the most important thing is we need to get the high definition pictures.
High definition picture is about how the specification of the lamps and the details required of the lamps that our clients want.
Yes. And the second one, we will give the proposal based on the pictures and the requirements.
Okay.
And then once we get the order, we will do some design. We will have an internal meeting with our technical team to do the understanding of the design requirements and deepen the project proposal by our technical support.
Do you mean that deepen the proposal? So what is the details of the deepening?
Yeah, we will make a drawing. Yeah, a clear drawing for our client to show how is the structure of the customized lights, and with some with some details about each component, such as how does the glass look like and how does the structure look like and what is the dimension inside the drawings.
Yes, our engineering teams will support this required.
Yes.
Okay.
And later we will get some feedbacks from our customers and proposal modification will be done based on the feedbacks. Yes. Once we get the feedback, actually we will discuss with our engineer team. Is it feasible?
Is it feasible, right?
To change, to revise, and then we will do the modification based on the reality.
Yeah, the safe at the first decision and the second will be desirable.
Yes, you're right. And finally, we will get the approval of the proposal, and then we can do the mass production.
Of course, we will send exchange our opinion with our clients together to get the final concept. Then we will start the production, and that is our routine of the customization, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. Can our supporter, Mr. Chong, can us to prepare our screens here.
Stand the fox going on with the screen.
Okay.
Yes, you're right. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, we also bring some samples to our clients, but later we will show in front of the camera for each of them.
Each of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
As
many kinds of the material we're using for the customization lighting, right? So this part now today we will going to show the glass part. The glass part is the most effective part of the customization lighting. Yes. We will show some details we're using for our case. Okay.
Yes, and later we will explain the elements what we use as a common use later. Yeah, but now I think our client need to know more about the basic information as we mentioned.
Yes, no problem. And
so please Please page next page. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, and firstly, we need to get some basic documents, except the high definition picture, like the basic document of the villa. Yeah, for example, this is a villa project, and the plan views, care drawing and vertical care drawing are necessary for us to have a rough idea of the overall structure of the villa. And besides, we also need some side picture to deepen the understanding of the architectural structure in our mind.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, because we cannot see the scene in person, right? These materials are very important for us to do the future lighting design work. In addition, we need clients' preliminary lamp design concepts such as the decoration style of the building, whether it's European classic style, European minimalism style, court style, or other style. This is decisive with the style of the lamp we choose.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Actually, this is an example from one of our projects. This is the plan view of the CD file. It's called here. Oh, okay. Then we can get how many floors of the villa and the height of each floor, location of different area with dimension. And in each specific area, clients also share side picture for our reference. Then this is a picture of the main room, right? Main room, and we have to locate the middle of the villa. And from the picture, actually, this is a hollow canopy above the stair. When the guest
Yeah, from the care drawing, we can see the main stairs are an eye-catching place.
Yes, when guests can see it as soon as they come in. Besides basic functional spotlight or dome light, special and eye-catching decorative lights should be installed here.
Yes, you mean this part, right?
Yes, because when you come into the place, this is the
Very
most effective.
Yeah.
Okay, flush your eyes like something like
Yeah,
that.
you're right. And the client also share the preferable decoration style picture for us like this. Yeah, from the picture, we can feel client prefer the European style and the color temperature is quite bright. Yeah, so maybe we can choose some decorative light with a combination of classic and modern feeling here at the beginning.
Oh, good. Yes. Even we feel clients wants to light in European style or modern style, how can we choose proposal meets his requirements directly? Yes, there are numerous decorative lights in these styles.
Yeah, Stephen, take it easy. To be honest, the definite proposal needs to be settled under several times communication between the clients and us. Now the current stage is only the beginning of giving proposal. What we need to do just giving some lights with different elements such as crystal, glass, ceramic, and so on with different design as a reference for clients.
Yes.
So these are some pictures we share to our clients to see which one does he prefer.
Well, I think you say it's very reasonable. So we put forward proposals for canopies, decorative lights. Some of them are from the actual projects we ever took, and some of them are from internet. This proposal covers different shape and elements. After a certain shape or element is selected, we will continue to look for lamps with similar shape to finalize the proposal for our client.
Yeah. These two proposals actually are customized lights for other hotel projects we took part in.
Yes.
Look at the middle one here.
This one, okay.
Yeah.
Big flowers.
Yeah, it is luxury. Yeah, and the main material is crystal, and it is a big scale. Like maybe you think it is not so appropriate to be used in the villa project. But the customized lamps, as the name suggests, we can adjust the size and scale of the lamps for clients according to the on-site environment. If clients want this design, we will advise clients to reduce the layers. You can see too much layers here for the villa.
Yes.
So we can reduce the layers and to make it more harmonious for the villa project.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, the same principle like the lamp on the right is the shape of the ellipse, but we can also adjust for the circular shape according to the villa projects. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so apart from the main decorative light in this stair area, is there another light should be added?
Yeah, sure. We also give wall light proposal here.
Okay.
Yeah. For the client selection, same operation, different elements such as crystals or glass. Yeah, and different designs.
That makes sense. I think that both of them is transparent material. Okay, so the design in the same space will look very harmonious, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
And in the living hall in the second floor.
Okay, living
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. We also give some proposal like this.
Okay, second floor should be here. Okay, maybe our clients cannot see this very clear.
Yes.
But fine.
This part, the purple part. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for pointing it. Okay. So if our client choose the initial proposal, how do we move forward to finalize the proposal?
Yeah, for example, for the living hall, after we share this proposal, we get the client's comment that he preferred this kind of lamp. So, clear material with some layers. Yeah. Please.
Okay.
Yeah, next page.
Yeah. Okay.
So, we share more similar proposal for clients, and luckily clients choose one of them, and then we can deepen the proposal in drawing. At the same time, if client have some extra requirements, we need to combine them into the drawing. For this lamp, client clarifies that he wants all metal parts in this order should be in the same color as bronze.
Oh, okay.
So we mark down in the drawing also.
That's very details we have done.
Yes, you're right.
And after clients confirm this order, technical team will give a drawing for showing the details of lamp, such as this. So on screen is our detailed drawings, okay? And material structure and color temperature, they should be marked on this sheet. And meanwhile, we will confirm the color and small sample such as crystal shape or glass shape with clients before production, something like that, on the desk.
Yeah.
Yes, okay?
Okay, you're right.
Okay.
Yeah, and when we get the initial approval of the drawing, we will start to arrange some samples or color palettes if needed, like the screen showed.
Yes, this is a little sample, a small sample we offer to our clients for confirmation, right?
Yeah, for each light.
Yeah, and here is I think that's not very clear on the screen, I think, but this is the sample of the color. Here,
Yeah,
yes.
the bronze. Yeah, the bronze switch. Yes.
Okay.
Once all the details confirmed, we will do the mass production according to the client's signed drawing. This is the basic process of our customized lamps.
Kimmy, I think marking a customized lamp is a fantastic thing, just like have a baby.
Yes, you're
This
right.
is a process from 0 to 1. At the beginning, we have no idea what our clients want, but at the end, we produce a real lamp and client is satisfied with it.
Yeah, I think so. That we always describe our team as magicians. And do you want to know more amazing thing? Yeah, like we Yeah, like we want to explain
Yes.
the technical details about these two samples on the
Yeah.
decks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So how about the first one?
Yeah, the first one, I think our client is curious about why we put so many glass elements on our table.
Yes. As we just said before, and this is the sample we opened using in the common customization lamps, something like here. So this crystal should be incorporated the amber color on the surface. So this one is the most common using in the luxury chandeliers on the market. And here we have this is a crystal pendant.
Yeah, this is
Crystal
a crystal glass for the other shape.
And this size should be 20. Actually, we will have crystal sample boxes for our clients for selection. So this is one of them. Of course, this is just one. This is just 20 size.
20 millimeters.
20 millimeter size. Of course, you can order bigger or smaller. That should be approvable. It's okay. And crystal of the level, we will using the top class.
Yeah.
For our all customization lamps.
Is it what we mentioned usually K9 or?
Yes, K9 class we mentioned before is the top class crystal we are using for the lamp.
Domestic market.
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
But we also have the other imported crystal brand like Swarovski and
the Egypt S4 crystal.
Yeah,
S4 crystal. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there is one thing we should know that
Yeah.
Swarovski, the elements of in Swarovski, they don't offer
the crystal for the light anymore.
Yes, because they are focused on their major. So
now the Swarovski crystal is out of production.
Exactly. So every Swarovski pendant you see in market, they are the last one. Masterpiece in the world. So you can see that on our website. Okay, you can have a thinking about it. Okay, you take one for your collection. Okay, so something.
So how can our clients select the crystal? What is your suggestion for L4 or the domestic crystal?
Actually, in the projects considering like some hotel projects, we don't need to so high level something like importing crystal. So in many cases we will using domestic crystal as a project using. If our clients require high classes, we do offer it. But for budget consideration, most time we will using domestic K9 crystal for our clients. This is our first thinking for the crystal.
Yes, it's about the budget.
Yes, about budget, and at the same time the effect is also really nice.
Yeah.
In addition that it don't met the designer to its very high requirements, they will ask for the S4 crystal or Swarovski crystal. But at the time we will do the best we can do.
Yes.
To cut the budget for our clients.
So you can, it is based on our client's requirement actually.
Yes, the first thinking part is the project consideration. And the second part, we will, according to your different light details, to select the different shape of the crystal for you. Yes, this depends on the light design. And the third part would be the color. The color, you can see that we will have the transparent, and another will be amber color. Of course, we will also have the gray color, and that it will be the common color in market. So at that time, we will select the crystal colors. Depends on your designs, style.
Yes.
We'll give the option for you, but we will not force you to using it. It's your selection.
Yes,
Okay.
and after you design which type of crystal you want to use, and we will mark it on the drawing also.
Yes, for the crystal part, we will have more. We will have many
Options.
many options and many kinds of thinkings for
Yeah.
this plan.
Yeah, different kinds of the crystal shapes and different kinds of the color and different kinds of the dimension.
Yes, that's why we need to deepen the drawings with our clients, because we need to consider many things so that we can have a good device and good quality device for our clients.
Yes.
Mm.
So how about the glass? Yeah, it's very similar as the crystal.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
similar, but they're totally different things.
Yeah.
Many clients think that glass and crystal they are sort of like the same thing, but they are not the same produce process. So to be honest, they are definitely two different products. So as the glass, we have many types also. So now today we on the desk, that would be the hard produced glasses accessories here. This is named we made a handmade glasses.
Yes, handmade glasses, and the shape is quite straight.
Yes, it's straight that because we sometimes something the glasses like that they will not have the same shape of the glasses accessory anymore. So every glasses pieces would be only one piece
Yes,
in
it's
the world.
unique.
The
Yeah.
unique is very unique one. So that is why the price is very high of the glasses handmade pendants in the market. That's the
Yes.
reason. And but also they have the glasses you're using mold to create it. That glasses is mostly more cost effective and very common in the market. You can select different dimensions on the material market, and that would be cost very effective and
Yes.
cut many high budgets for you. Yes. And you can see the color
On the glass it is blue. So
yeah.
it is
This is-
electro powder.
Yeah, I think that would be the.
Powder coating or electroplating?
Actually, they are already inside it. When we create this, when we're making this glasses accessory, the material they already have the blue material colors inside it.
Yeah.
So we call the original glass material.
Yeah.
So we're using that, so the color will look like they belong there, not added after that. So you cannot.
So
raise
the
it.
so the color is inside.
It's inside,
Yeah.
it's not outside.
So before the glass pendants become the solid,
Yes.
it is a liquid. So we put the blue color inside the liquid.
Yes.
Yeah, do you mean that?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
And
So finally, when we make it as a curved shape, so the blue color it's already inside the material. Okay.
Exactly. So that is another point and why the handmade glass so expensive. So that is one point of that. Because you make 10 pieces of the glasses pieces, they are only 15% they can leave to make the lamps.
Yeah, successful.
Yeah. Okay, that's one of them. And there's so much about the crystal and the glass.
So how about this one? Is it handmade also?
Actually, this is made by mold. That's just now we mentioned that we're making by mold, which can make your budget more cost effective.
So we can make this shape. So if I order one pendant with so many pieces of this shape, so the shapes can be the same, same design, the same dimension.
The same looking. Because you can see the shape is regular, not irregular like this. So we will have a mold that you put the glass material and making it. You give the producer just blow it, and this one is okay.
Okay, so I noticed that there are some bubble inside
Yeah.
the glass.
Yes, that is not producing mistake. It's we
It's
make
the
it.
design.
Yeah, this is design to make it look like you are in the ocean. You see the fishes just breathe.
Yes.
So
Yes, I like it.
yes, actually talking about the lamp itself, sometimes we want to give the lamp life, something life design, life thinking,
Yes,
right?
it's lively.
Lively, yes.
Yes.
About this
Okay.
one?
Yeah, and I can notice that this one is very smooth.
Yes.
Yeah, in the bottom it is very smooth, but this one is not so smooth, and the design is some part is outer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The mold would be more special. The
I
mold
think
would be
it
match.
looks like a weapon.
Okay. Don't use the lighting to do some acting mode to the people. Okay.
Okay,
It's
okay.
all okay. Okay.
Okay.
So actually, they are both mold made by the mold, but this mold is well special. They have some hole in the mold, so when the liquid of the glass liquid into the mold, you have some special. You have some extra room for the liquid into it, so you're making the thing like that.
Okay. Okay. So here I can see the blue colors inside the glass.
Yes, exactly. This is really taking the original glass material.
Okay. So
Yes.
so much for the components.
So and how about talking about the shape then?
Yeah. So why you bring these two samples here?
Yeah. Yeah, because I think our audience can see the biggest difference of these two designs.
Yes.
One is very modern design, another is very classical
Classic.
but luxury design.
Yes.
But they both this customization by our clients' thinking. So how about let's you to introduce this modern one to our clients?
Yes, actually, this modern decorative light it's not for the customization project. It's our wholesale design.
Wholesale design.
Yes, but sometimes our clients they will choose it for our project use, like use in the room for the hotel. So we can see that it is very simple design, but actually the height of the lampshade it can be changed, it can be adjusted. Yes, and it is very popular in the European market.
Yes, I think they have many difference using spacing.
Yes, and we also noticed that here is a switch for the lamp, and we also can make it dimmable. Yeah.
Oh, dimmable.
Yeah.
Is preset dimmable?
Just depends on your requirement.
Okay,
We
so
can make it preset.
preset dimmable,
Yes.
and also the light and darker dimmable.
Yes, and you can see here the light source is LED chips.
Wow.
Yes, it is. Yeah, comply with the modern style. So
Yes. I think the shades are all very special because we are using the shape is like triangle, which makes this adjustable very stable.
Yes.
And the connector here, we're making a very nice welding process, so you will not see the extra point on it. The whole side will be smooth and look like very smooth.
Yes,
Very
you're right. And about the
tidy.
color, yes, actually this color is very hard to realize for the design, for this kind of design. You can see the design is not very smooth.
Yes.
Yes, and the design is special. So it is hard for us to make it chrome.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also this lamp have another selling point that would be everybody likes that every lamp there need the driver to move the lamp, right? So but this lamp the driver is make it in the plug. Yes, so that we can make the lamps more the structure more reasonable, and we can change the driver as you can when the lamp has some problem very easier.
Yes,
we will have a plug-in.
Yeah, and we make it in a male and female plug, so it is very easy for our end customers to change the driver.
Yes, the thinking is very nice and
yeah, it is considerable for our engineer team.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so how about the next one?
Yes.
So is it also LED as the light source?
Actually, the not LED light source inside here, and we're using the bulb in here. But the bulb you can choose the LED bulb actually.
Okay, I cannot see.
Yes.
bulb.
Okay, it's no problem. Yeah.
Okay, it is E27.
E27.
Yeah, but how about our clients? They are from the America. They want to change it into E26.
I think the socket, just change the socket, our factory can do the change for you, yes.
Okay.
We can do the lamps in different kinds of standard to meet with the
different countries.
Different country, different certificates required, okay?
Yes.
So actually when we look in the decorative lamp scheme, the first part we will see the design feelings, if we can meet our the design style in the room, right? I think designers will be doing like that. And the second thing we will thinking about the structure, is that reasonable? Can it be stable? It will be easier to falling down or something else. So with that step, we can meet that the structure of this lamp is very stable. We have very hard and
it's very heavy.
Very heavy and very big lamp base to structure this lamp. So another you can see many bars here as a decorative part components in the middle, and the welding point is the very big point for this lamp.
Yes, the selling point, right?
The welding point.
Okay.
Welding point is not obviously, and also you cannot feeling it, even you can look this one very closely. So, and the next part we can see the finish.
Yes.
The finish we're using the electroplating, yes, electroplating to do the finish. So the finish is very smooth and shiny.
Yes, and I feel it's luxury and high-end product.
Yes, it's made for the high-end product. Yes, it's actually using in our hotel projects in the Middle East area. It come back from the Middle East area hotel projects. And also this lamp shade is made by the fabric lamp shade, which the color is selectable, and we make it this is Tibet blue. We are designed for the
Tibet blue.
Yeah, Tibet blue is the very how to say the religions fell. The religions believe that this blue can give them lucky. So we do that customization for our clients. Actually, the fabrics is already have many very common selections in the market. So you do the customization, we will have a very high budget, but we also do it for our customer just for the quality.
So the color is not the common color we can find in the market, right?
Yes, that's why we customize it.
Wow.
Oh,
yes.
That's why. Okay, so the plug is also this plug is very common, and yes, very usually plug, not very special. So we're not talking about the plug.
Okay. So I think it is so much for today, right?
Yes, okay. Maybe next time we're talking about, this time we're talking about the table lamp, next time we're talking about the chandelier. We have some technical structure details and how our workers to install the chandeliers in the hotel market. Okay?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. So much today, it's time
to say goodbye, right?
Okay. So I hope you have a nice day.
Yeah.
Today.
Good day.